Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q4 Sport 45 E-Tron 210 kilowatt. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty, stylish from every angle. This being the sport model, you do get the contrasting grey body mouldings on the wheel arches, side skirts and bumper, as well as the matte grey sections of the front and rear bumper. From the 210 kilowatt battery, you get 281 brake horsepower and 545 Newton meters of torque. On the front, we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, you get these 19-inch 5W spoke alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a time and cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button, so you don't have to worry if your hands are full, and offers you optimal storage room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, including your charging cables. The interior is fitted with the twin leather upholstery with contrasting grey stitching, with even more of the matte grey on the doors. Also fitted is the tri-zone climate control, so the rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front, and they also get a centre armrest with dual cup holders. Both of the outer seats also come with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front, we have the E-Tron style leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are slightly sportier seats and are also finished in the twin leather and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. These controls are both touch sensitive and physical buttons, should you choose to use them in whichever way you want. On the right is your volume of voice control, so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation, keeping you forever connected and so making sure you never miss a junction. Under the climate control, we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button, which brings up the rear camera and front and rear parking sensors, so you never have to worry about damaging that precious paintwork. Thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this presentation on the approved used Audi Q4 at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.